Hello friends, welcome to all. In this session we will discuss about the difference between forging and casting. So there are various advantages as well as various disadvantages of forging over casting. We will discuss few of them. Forging have higher strength than casting due to the grain structure or due to the surface property. Generally forging have higher strength than casting. At the same time, forging objects are more tougher than casting. There is the grain structure in forging is in one direction, so the object we obtain is more stronger or more tougher and having the more strength than casting. But at the same time, there are also some limitations of forging over casting. Forging is limited to small workpiece only. We cannot use forging at large size objects. Why? Because for this we have to require larger tools and for a long time. So at larger objects forging is very costly, but at small objects forging is economical. So there is a limitation of size, as well as there is a limitation of size as well as thickness also. If we are working on a certain plate, if the thickness of the plate is small, then we can change the shape very easily, so forging will be economical. But if the thickness of the plate is very large, and it will not help, the shape of that plate cannot change by the help of forging properly. So for this we can use casting. For that, casting will be more cheaper, and at the same time, if we have to work at a complex structures, then forging cannot be work at complex structure. For complex structure, the casting will be fruitful. So these are some advantages and some limitations of forging over casting. That's for all today. Thanks to all.